In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rows and columns in Notion. This simple process allows you to expand your databases, organize your information more effectively, and customize your workspace to fit your specific needs. By adding rows and columns, you can structure your data in a way that makes it easier to track projects, tasks, or any type of information you want to manage in Notion. To begin with rows, adding a new entry to your database is straightforward. On your database page, look for the option labeled New, usually found at the bottom of your database table or list. Clicking New will create a new page within your database, effectively adding a row. This new row can then be filled with the details, tasks, or information relevant to your database. Each row in Notion essentially acts as a separate item or entry, making it easy to manage multiple items in one organized place. When it comes to columns, the process is just as simple. On your database, find and click the Add Property button. This allows you to add a new column to your database. Notion gives you a variety of options for the type of column you want to create, depending on the information you need to store. You can choose text, select, number, date, or other property types. Selecting the appropriate property type ensures that your data is structured properly and displayed correctly. Once selected, the new column will appear immediately, ready for you to enter or organize your data. Columns help categorize and structure information, making it easier to sort, filter, and manage your entries efficiently. By combining rows and columns effectively, your Notion databases become much more dynamic and versatile. You can easily add multiple entries, track different types of information, and customize your workspace to fit the way you work. This functionality is particularly useful for project management, content planning, tracking progress, or any scenario where organized data is essential. And that's it. Adding rows and columns in Notion is quick, intuitive, and essential for creating a fully functional database that adapts to your workflow. With these simple actions, you can immediately enhance the organization and usability of your Notion workspace. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.